Are you looking for a quick and easy way to embed CrankWheel on your website? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that step by step, so you can start using CrankWheel to convert more visitors and make your website more interactive. Before we dive in, did you know that you can get started with CrankWheel completely free? Yes, and we've got some exclusive bonuses for you when you click the first link below. Stick around because I'll also be revealing how you can extend your free trial at the end of this video. First things first, you'll want to sign up for CrankWheel, and if you haven't yet, go ahead and grab your free trial. You can do this through the link below. It's a really simple sign-up process. Just your name, email, and create a password. Now, once you're logged in, go to the Settings section in the main dashboard. You'll find this in the top right corner of the page. This is where you'll get the embed code to place on your site. Next thing, you'll want to navigate to the Embed tab. Here, CrankWheel gives you a customizable frame embed code. This code will allow you to place the CrankWheel interface directly onto any page of your website. Simply copy this code. Now, head to your website's backend. If you're using WordPress, go to the page where you want CrankWheel to appear. In the page editor, switch to the HTML view. Here, paste the CrankWheel embed code right where you want it to show up. For other website builders, the process is very similar. Just look for an option to add custom code or HTML. The fourth thing you need to do is customize the size of the CrankWheel box if needed. If you wanted to fit a specific area on your page, adjust the width and height parameters in the embed code. The fifth thing to check is whether your CrankWheel embed is working properly. After saving the page, refresh your website and make sure the CrankWheel interface shows up as expected. You can do a quick test by using the Start Sharing feature and checking how it appears on your website. Once that's all set up, you're ready to start using CrankWheel to give your website visitors an instant, interactive demo experience. The best part? CrankWheel's fully customizable and can be used in real time, making it a perfect tool for capturing leads and engaging your audience. Before you go, remember that you can access CrankWheel for free using the link in the description, along with some exclusive bonuses. Don't forget to check it out. And as promised, I'm giving you an extended free trial of the software to help you get the most out of it. So that's how to embed CrankWheel on your website. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that link and start using CrankWheel today with an extended free trial.